In this video, I'm going to show you how to select the right templates from the different versions that we have and how to use the preview. First of all, to use the preview in the Add Certificates option, you need to select the training course that you've already set up. You need to add some sort of a name. And once you don't need to complete the other fields to be able to see the preview. And if you click on templates, you will see lots of different versions of the same template. I'm going to explain in this video how to choose the right version as well. So if you click on a template name, you can see that in the preview window, it will show you what that certificate will look like. You can scroll up or down or sideways. So you will actually see the certificate before creating it. So if you prefer, you can choose another one. I will also explain how to use templates with two logos that are usually used on behalf of a client. And I also explain how to navigate this alphabet soup of acronyms next to the template names. Let's have a look at the names of the templates, and they tell you how to find the right one for you. So the first part of the name just simply suggests the background, what kind of background it is. We have a selection, and then each background has different variants already set up. This letter L will indicate whether it's a landscape or a portrait type. This 1 or 2 will show you how many logos will be printed on the certificate. Most commonly it's 1. It's obviously you and your company. We only have 1 logo for you as a company. But in some cases you might want to deliver an event or a course on behalf of a particular client. If you select a template that has 2 in here, it will print both your logo and your client logo on it. I'll talk about it a little bit later on in this video. And of course, we use slightly different text for courses and events. So this C will just tell you whether this the particular template is optimized for a course or an event. And the very last bit simply, if this is a global template available to everybody in the system, or you might have asked us to create a bespoke template for you, in which case it will have a B on the end. So this is how the names will help you find the right combination and find the right template for you. And also at the end of this video, I will show you a page where you can check all of them in an overview. And finally, how to include your important client name and their logo in your certificate if a particular course or event was delivered on behalf of a client. The first thing to do is you need to set up a course or an event just for them, and you can put their client name and their logo in here. If you deliver the same course to multiple clients, you just need to create one for each of them and include their name and their logo in here. And from here on, it's going to be very simple, because in terms of the certificate, all you need to do is obviously select the right course and put a name in here. And in the logos where it says to, that means that both you and your client details will be included in the certificate. So you can see here, so this is a variant of the Open CPD template, and you can see that this would be your name and logo, and this would be your client name and logo. And you can also see it under the course details, because of course you delivered it on their behalf. So this is how to make sure that both logos and names are included in the certificate.